Let's get Cramer's Mad Dash ahead of the opening bell.
Very good piece in the Journal about Apple developing AI chips for data centers, seeking edge and arms race on. These are the chips that are known for inference. Now, understand that when you do NVIDIA, which of course is down, despite the fact that Goldman has a very good piece reiterating buy, that is not the kind of chip that you buy for inference. You buy that for training. These are two different elements. Training is a little bit harder. You got to put all the data in. Inference is basically, if you like X, you might like Y. But this is a very good sign because it's the beginning of what I regard as the Apple offense on AI. The one that Tim Cook, by the way, told me is going to happen, but nobody seems to care until they see it. Well, they're starting to see it with this AI for data centers. They're going to see it with the developers conference, and they're going to see it with the next phone. So there's really, Apple now suddenly has a clear path. It's very different, by the way, from Disney, where you mentioned, where the Disney path is not clear. The Apple path is clear.
We'll talk more about Apple in a second. Let's get the opening bell and the CNBC real-time exchange. At the big board, self-storage operator Public Storage. And at the NASDAQ, it's 1-800-Flowers.com. Don't forget, Mother's Day weekend approaches. The company does expect to deliver more than 20 million stems on the holiday this year. Jim, you mentioned Apple. There is the iPad event, which we'll see in about half an hour.
Right, you're going to see some good things from that. I think that the people who were negative on Apple, if we can just go back in time again, what they were thinking, again, is the best times are behind them, that they didn't have AI, and that all you had to do was look at the numbers of the phone, and you should sell. This is no longer the case. Now you have to start thinking about them playing offense in AI. In all their different devices, and you're starting to think, well, wait a second, maybe it deserves a 25 multiple, 26 multiple. So, Carl, I mean, I've never been, I've always said own it, don't trade Apple, and I did that because Tim Cook and his team are very bankable, except for to the people who insist on trading it constantly. And, well, I don't know why they want to do that.